Hello in part 2. Now you get these parts like this. Fold it till the crease and fold it till the crease touches, and then it is okay. And now fold it from the other side. This will crease. Look like this. Now you have to get glue. So put the glue. Come over here in some part of the downward that air can't go inside, and fold it. We get the nice paper like this. Now you have to do some technique which I am telling you. You have to do like fold this and fold it, that it will be in the middle. See, you have done. See, it will look like this. Fly very well, I think. Hello. Now coming toward the flying part. See, this is your ears, and see how it goes like this, like this. See, it goes very nice, very nice. So I do. You have to not pull the air like this, so it will go very fast. Very fast there like this. See? So we will fly again. So it will fly very fast that you can't see. You leave down and it will fly like a bamboo copter, the Doraemon. Guys, if you like this video, yes, you definitely will like this video because you love it. How to make a bamboo copter of Doraemon. You know the Doraemon. You don't know, but I know it very well. I see. I like it. Whoa, looking very nice. Go very nicely. Turn around, and it is very well. So neat. I made very best, excellent first time. That go. Yeah. But after some time back, I made that fly continuously on the air. It does not go down or up. It is very beautiful. You do not put it in the air, or else it will go directly down. You can put it natural air or in no air. It will go very nicely in no air. It will move continuously on the air. See, there is no air, so it is very going. What if there is an air? You will see. See, it will not go. Guys, if you like this video, please comment. Sorry, I forgot to say something. If you subscribe or like, we will give you 50 Amazon gift cards. We have, I think, 100 lakhs or 200 lakhs. We have many, but we will give you 50 of them, and you will be the winner of the Amazon cards. So guys, please subscribe and like. You have a very good chance to win if you will subscribe and in comment type, I have subscribed and I want an Amazon card, and the lucky draw will not be done directly. It will be given to the customer who subscribe or like my videos. Please thank you. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.